Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we want to take a look into one of the beautiful gardens located in the heart of Nairobi, Kenya, that is Uhuru Park. But before we proceed, have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If not, kindly take a minute, subscribe to this channel because that is the only way you can support this channel, and we will continue bringing you amazing content as usual. Nairobi is known for its beautiful skyscrapers and availability of a national park. But not so many people talk about this beautiful space that 90% of the residents residing in Nairobi depend on it. Uhuru Park was established in 1969 and covers over 100 acres of land. The garden holds a special place in the history of Kenya. And in the heart of Nairobi, there are two constructive samples of development that stand side by side: the historic Uhuru Park and the modern Nairobi Expressway. While they both might represent progress, they both tell a different story of the city's growth. Uhuru Park greenery and the vibrant ambience has been a cherished green space for Nairobians for decades. It stands as a symbol of freedom, offering relief from the city hustle. On the other hand, the Nairobi Expressway represents the city modernization efforts, a testament to infrastructural development and the drive toward efficiency in transportation system in Kenya. Preserving Uhuru Park is crucial for our city heritage. It's a place where family gather, and it goes beyond just being a park, and it has become sentimental to many Kenyans. The Nairobi Expressway is a step toward modernizing our city, but we must ensure it doesn't compromise our green spaces. That is why we say finding a balance is key. As Nairobi evolves, the challenge remains to embrace the progress while safeguarding the essence of spaces like Uhuru Park. The coexistence of these landmarks tells a story of a city striving for growth without losing its soul. One of the park's iconic features is a serene artificial lake, offering a boat ride and a peaceful retreat amidst the city hustles. It's also home to the Freedom Corner, a symbolic site where important speeches and gatherings have echoed the aspiration of the nation. As we embrace the present, it's essential to envision the future of Uhuru Park, a place that holds a significant position in the heart of Nairobi and in the collective memory of Kenya. As Kenyans wait for the opening of the Uhuru Park, I want to remind you that Uhuru Park isn't just about the picture square, the landscape, or the recreational facilities. It's a living testament to Kenyans' journey toward the independence and the resilience of its people. Thank you for taking time and watching this video, and if you really like this content, ensure you subscribe to this channel and join the growing farm. My name is Pelnino Isaac. It was amazing catching up with you guys, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.